How you doing, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Jennifer. If you're new, thank you for tuning in. So right now we're going to be doing the pedal commander review, guys. So if you guys follow me right here, what I'm going to be talking about is how it works, why you guys should get it. So, yo, what the? Pause the video, bro. Pause the video, then. Yo, what the? Just when everything was going good and I was going to say we're done. Didn't that happen yesterday?
Yeah.
So we were yesterday with my brothers and brother and sister. I like saying brothers in plural, but we were doing the video on the installation of the pedal commander. We went to this parking lot, which I like going there because that's actually where I did my first video and got started. But going in between that parking lot was a little lifted part, and if we heard a snap, I got out of the car, I checked, it was dark, I didn't see nothing, but holy bro, yeah, at least you can see how low this side skirt actually is. It's almost like a finger and a half.
It's like a big
Definitely, we have to change the side skirt now. I don't think this is fixable. Oh man. All right, guys. Any recommendations? Anything? Put the link down below. Put a comment down below, guys. If you guys do know a side skirt, I don't want to go through the hustle of buying them and painting them and wrap, because it takes time consuming, guys. If you guys know a wrap, you guys selling yours or something, let me know. Hit me up. Damn, you know, if anyone wants to buy this side skirt now, Jesus, I mean, it's white pro paint match with the black wrap, just the bottom bunch of more print snap, but I don't know. All right, guys, back to the video. So we're gonna be talking about the pedal commander. That's it. You guys have it right here. Ugh. I do have it here, nice install. So once you turn, I'm gonna turn on the car right now. Let's see. Hold on, let me see if I can just turn it in like this. See if this one works. Turns on. Okay, so there you go. So as you see, guys, there is turning on. So you do have an eco mode, city mode, sport plus, and you gotta keep in mind here the numbers, the denominations here. You can easily turn it off and on just by pressing the star. Hold it, and it'll turn off. All right, guys. So you can definitely. We're gonna turn off the car right now. I don't know if you guys can hear me. You can definitely be changing the settings by pressing the star. So city, sport, and sport plus, and then the bottom pretty much the numbers you guys. So you guys can definitely see how in red one it's on negative. It's -4, -3, -2, -1, and then it goes blank. And then the green one, which pretty much is what you're in on the plus sign. So I would write plus sport plus on +4. So once you have that, you can pretty much see how sensitive it is. Let me see if I can just reach my hand there. This way, literally, like, it just launches. Like it's crazy sensitive. It does have the eco mode. I'm on normal mode actually on my car, but why you guys should get it? It's definitely fun. That's all I gotta say. All right, guys. So we're gonna test out the sensibility on the pedal commander. Right now I'm in normal mode. There's no. I'm not gonna do sport mode. I am on the Sport Plus +4, and as soon as I hit the pedal, you can see how it just launches. It does launch. And if you guys don't believe me, you can have my brother who's actually helping me record right now. What do you think, bro? Does it actually launch you back or not?
Yes.
So here's the thing: once you guys are on city mode, when you guys are in the city and being at a red light, you know, like right now we're on the red light. And as soon as you step on it, even if it's just a little bit, even if it's just halfway, you gotta get used to the pedal commander, because as soon as you step on it, it is gonna launch you back. So like right now I'm right here, I'm in the middle, and without even me trying to like force myself, it did launch me back. So it just, right now I'm already going 60 miles, and it's been like, what, less than 10 seconds, I think. The good thing about this is that it has fast response, so definitely something that will help you out, you know, going through turns and everything, because you have more response. So it's right here. As soon as I step on it, you can see my brother moving the phone. I don't know if the DJI would actually keep the phone stable. Let's see right here. Let's see if I can scare them with the sauce. So you can see it's fast response. As soon as you step on it, there's no lag. As soon as you step on it, you get that response. You can actually hear the intake you're getting. It's just nice, guys. The review is just definitely something that's worth buying. Something that is I'll definitely buy. It was actually one of the first modifications that I did on the XSC, because I bought it for my SC and it does work. I don't know. You have to double check with Pedal Commander, see if for the 2020 or the 2021 works. I'm pretty sure it's the same computer setup, you know, so you guys should be okay. But just doing this, it does. It feels like you have more power, even though you don't. But it does feel like it. So there's been a couple questions about the i4. I personally didn't get the i4 when Pedal Commander came out. Pedal Commander was the first one, so I went for the Pedal Commander. They had nice reviews, so I just decided to get it. But just going like this, guys, it just feels beautiful. And from zero to, you know, or from start, you know, it just launches you back. You know, you'll feel your tire like a little squeaking, you know, yeah, just a little bit enough to feel all excitement and everything. But it does feel good, guys. Okay, cool. Alright, guys, so the Pedal Commander is definitely a must get. You'll see the difference on your Camry V6 or i4 or 4 cylinders, however you guys want to call it. It does change the power. It is definitely something you guys should get. It's fun. You guys will feel the difference. Like I'm telling you guys, and this is hands down, you guys will feel like you got more horsepower, even though you don't. It's just more sensitive. It will launch you. It'll be more fun, definitely. In the takeoff, it will be definitely much faster. Alright, guys, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video, fam. And remember, it's not just about the car. So stay sexy out there, guys. Until next time.